So today I'm going to put together some more garden beds. These garden beds are only $29 at Bunnings. I'm going to put them together and I'm going to plant some more Bruxias that I have, because I have them all in various stages. I'm planting them during winter time here in rural Melbourne because of its no bugs. So no moths to be laying eggs and then not slaughtering my veggies. And that way it leaves me more room, more garden beds to do all my summer crops. So come with me, let's get our hands dirty. Hi, I'm Melissa and I'm the Scrappy Gardener. So I've got my trusty Ryobi tools, the Kin Chrome. This was a part of an advent calendar from Bunnings that I got from my husband a couple of years ago, and each day you got a different tool and then you got the thing to put it in. It's pretty cool. He actually loves it. So it comes with 4 sides like this. The sides to hold them together. And all your screws you'll need. As well as instructions. I'm going to use this to kneel on. The ground's still a bit wet. Also has the 2 smaller ones for the side pieces. Now I have quite a few of these garden beds down by the roadside of the house. You'll see when I take it down there. I like them. So there you have it. One garden bed done. Now just got to tighten it. Ooh, it looks like it's an in-between size. Ah, here comes the rain. There you have it, guys, one garden bed. So this is my Scrappy garden bed at the side of our property on the road downside a mountain. As you can see, these are the garden beds I already have in. So here's my broccoli garden bed. Some little ones. Here's my garden bed over here. Got radishes. Oh, they're ready to pick. Snow peas. Only one carrot survived over the summer, and looks like one onion. Finished off now. Basil, my chilies, all different degrees hot. The capsicum. Garden bed had okra in it. This is where I've got my turnips and my Swedes. And this is the garden bed that has got some broccoli and some cauliflower in it and some snow peas up the back. I've also planted some garlic in between. They're coming up now. So this is my Scrappy garden bed, guys. Normally I like to play in the dirt with no gloves on, but on days like today when I've got to go to work, I put the gloves on to protect my hands from getting bacteria and stuff underneath it from the dirt. I'm a theatre nurse, so you need to keep your hands clean as possible, but you scrub them when you go to work. But still, better off keeping them clean. So it took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. It took 10 bags. So I've got some broccoli and 2 lots of cabbage, cauliflower, and then also got red cabbage. I like to look for the ones that have the most seeds in them. They say on the packet sometimes that they're like 4 or 6 or something like that, but I always pick them up and see if the one's the most. Doesn't change the price, but it gives me more. So my ruby red cabbages will have to wait till I get more soil for this garden bed. I've also got 2 punnets of coriander. I'm going to start trying growing all of my own herbs and dehydrating them myself so we don't have any preservatives in them. So I'm going to plant these 2 as well. So I've gone to the garden shed, got sugarcane mulch, grabbed a couple of tubs of the water that we collect to put on our veggies, but also the birds decide they're going to swim in them. The ducks and the geese have their baths in them. So free fertiliser, full of nitrogen, which is good to boost the growth of my braxicas. watering it carefully so I don't disturb the ground too much and create holes from the water pouring in fast. And there you have it, guys. Another couple of Scrappy garden beds done. Remember, there's no mistakes in gardening, there's only experiments. I'm Melissa, the Scrappy Gardener. Remember, hit the like and subscribe if you want to see more videos. Thanks for watching.